You tried to outplay me, did you? But I am a loyal henchman, one who does not fail. Ah, yes, yet again. But the fourth, the races are on. You may be quick, but I am as quick as a loyal henchman. I would never fail you. Deception is not my strong suit. I am trying to protect you, but you're making it very difficult. I'm getting quite exhausted. Why is Ray... Okay, he's going to bait me to go up. That's where... I know Toast, he's smart. He's going to bait me to go up in hopes that he won't go up. I'm coming. Okay. I'm on you. I'm on you. I'll never let you die. I can't let people know I'm your sidekick. Whee! Oh, look, we're frame one. Whee! We're frame perfect. We're frame perfect. Whee! Hypers! Me and Toast. Me and Toast. Sliding, climbing, hanging out. Me and Toast. Me and Toast. Sliding, climbing, and hanging out. How long is this gonna go? Oh no! Oh, thank God. I'm here for the long haul. I'm here as long as you're here, baby. Me and you, baby. It's always been. It's always been. Ludwig and Toast. That's what people say. I've been hearing rumors in the streets. OTV, more like BRB, hanging out with Ludwig right now. Sorry about it. Fun little club you have and all, but two best friends climbing up ladders and sliding down is pretty much peak friendship. I'll try to get it frame perfect. Oh, there it is. There it is. That was the perfect one. We got the perfect one. I go down quicker than him. I need to wait. I go down too quick. Wait. Now. Fuck.
Sorry, I'm here to make a noise complaint about the neighbors.
Okay, wait, why? What happened?
Okay, yeah, I figured it out. We can hear Toast and Lud going up and down the ladder across the whole map.
I'm making a
What?
noise complaint
Thing,
right
yeah.
now.
Here's the thing.
Okay, so you can also
There's been no kills, right?
There has
Yes,
okay.
I was thinking.
Or something eventually. I got locked out. It's okay, Celine. You're gonna be okay. I'm gonna run a left at the dead end too.
Yeah, this is Celine.
I would bust.
Dude, bars, bro, bars.
Oh, that's real nice.
I never been so happy you don't have my address.
True.
Death is okay. I'm okay with death. I'm okay with death. I'm just gonna run to these rooms. I'm just gonna follow the lights. And I'm gonna follow the lights. And oh, the matching one. Oh, Saint did this. Saint did this. I see. Saint did this right. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh,
I'm gonna get Death is okay tattooed on my arm right here. Death is okay.
Okay, maybe Saint pull the lights. Saint pull the
I would
lights.
bust.
I'm gonna run this way. Okay,
Death
this
is
time.
okay,
I think this is the
PCPH.
right way, because if it's not, I'm so screwed and I'm so terrified right now. I'm stressed out of my mind and I don't know where to go. And
Actual fucking banger, dude.
because I'm just talking out of my mind because I'm so terrified.
match found.
Match found.
Are the showers like new electrical? About to bonk it. Bonk. 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 Fucking.
Fidgeting. Oh my god! Toilet tap. I hate this. I hate this. What is this? What is this? I've never hated some. I'm gonna throw up. What is that sound? How do you do this? That's so. I thought. Well, in my eyes, you're not supposed to go in the red for anything. It's green, right? I don't know. That was nasty. I hated that.
Imposter.
What?
Oh, there is a desk here. I thought Ray was just fucking around. Okay, that's a fucking disgusting noise I never want to hear again. I'm gonna leave.